Hey guys. My dad, he went out to get a case of beast ice. And I've been hearing some weird noises coming from the bathroom. Or the Dukatorium, as he calls it. Let's take a sneak peek. I don't want to get in trouble for this. What the hell? It's a CB radio. Okay. Okay, got MASH playing here on the Atari. I want to play. Alvin and the Chipmunks. What year is this Dukatorium from? He actually got a street sign that says Dukatorium Drive. He won't even replace the screen in my service porch. I can't let air get in, because the flies come in. What's over here? Oh, it's a picture of a cat. Okay, that's, well, whatever. Okay, license plate. Yeah, some plants. All in all, this is pretty fucking weird. Break 19 for a radio check. Break 19 for a radio check. Come on back.